Today I'm going to show you how to make a redemption bracelet. It's a pretty simple design. It just has a little gold charm in the middle, a knot, a braid, another knot, and that's on both sides. So the supplies that you'll need to start are a spool of thread, some scissors, some tape, and the little golden R charms. So the first step is going to be to take your red thread and to cut it into 6 18-inch strands. I've already pre-cut mine. And then you're going to separate them into threes because you're going to use 3 threads on either side of the charm. So what I usually do is just take one and loop it through the little hole, pull it down to about halfway and hold it there to get it out of the way for the next one. So it's out of the way, you thread the next one through about halfway and pull that one down, get it out of the way again, and the last one is coming through. Once I got that one in, we're just going to take all of these till they get to about halfway on the thread and pull them down just like this. At this point, you might want to go ahead and tape down the little charm to the table so that you can get a good knot tied. So I'm going to get all 6 pieces as level as possible, as even as possible. About like that will work. Then we're just going to tie a knot as close to the base of the gold charm as you can. And there you go. Next step is just to braid the side of the bracelet. So you're going to separate these strands into sections of 2. So you have 2 strands in each part of your hand. Then you're just going to start braiding just like you would a simple little braid all the way down the bracelet, pulling it tight as you go so that it's not super loose. Get that back down. And that's why we have it taped to the table or something else so that you can keep it secure while you braid. Okay, then once you've braided down about 4 inches on the one side, then you're just going to take the thread, tie it in on itself, tie another knot to secure it. Oops. Pull it tight, and then you're going to clip the extra, just not too super close to the end of the knot, maybe leaving that 1/4 inch or so. And then we're going to move on to the other side and do exactly the same thing. So I'm just finishing up braiding this last side of the bracelet, and once we get to the end, after we've got about 4.5 inches or so of braided length here, I'll tie the knot just like I did on the other side, and then I'm going to clip it. Okay, so we got it there. I'm going to grab it and tie our little knot so it's secure. Clip where you have about 1/4 inch and tape it, and there you go. There's our finished redemption bracelet. For every one of these that you make and that is sold, one's going to go to a victim who's been rescued from human trafficking. So thanks for helping, and we appreciate your time.